Mwana lelela mayube bonge alelela bonge aliseka mama bonge aliseka bonge alelela mayube msini ya yene
When we speak about production, we have to speak also about waste. Waste is a very, very big problem. In part, we produce ricotta. In part, we give for free to all the neighbors in Njombe our way, so they can collect in this bucket and they can give it to their animals. They can come every time they want. Now we are beginning with a new service. There will be a man coming, he will get all the way, and he will deliver at the door of different people, of different farmers, so it won't pollute the area. Then of course we got a chemical pollution that can occur when you make production, done by this compound that we use for cleaning the equipment. So I'm speaking about casting soda and nitric acid. We collect them in one single tank in a way that they can neutralize one to another.
The presence of Njombe Milk Factory has created a virtuous circle. Not only 800 farmers receive a constant payment by delivering everyday raw milk to the dairy, but they have been taught how to use animal waste to create biogas, a source of clean energy. Today, Aloysia has light to illuminate her house and gas for cooking.
Yeah, yeah, mama.